Hello everyone, so here are the 10 updates from Google I/O if you are a web developer. CSS carousels, AI powered dev tools, prompt API with multimodal capabilities and more. At Google I/O 2025 we unveiled new features to supercharge your productivity and to empower you to build a more powerful, seamless and modern web. Here are the 10 key innovations that put cutting edge capabilities directly in your hands and are sure to inspire your next project. Carousels are now easier than ever to build with few lines of CSS and HTML. Build beautiful carousels with CSS that are interactive at first paint. Chrome 135 introduces new CSS primitives, stylable fragmentation, scroll marker elements, and scroll buttons, simplifying carousel creation without JavaScript. Use familiar CSS concepts to create rich, interactive, smooth, and more accessible carousels in fraction of the time. Declarative popovers introducing the new interest invoker API. The experimental interest invoker API is available as an origin trial. With this feature you can declaratively toggle popovers when visitor interest is active for small duration. Goodbye unstylable title attribute hello interest target. Combine it with the anchor position API and popover API to create rich responsive and interactive UI elements like tooltips or hover cards. Without JavaScript, the possibilities are endless with modern CSS. Several built-in AI APIs using leading models like Gemini Nano are available now, featuring multimodal capabilities in the prompt API. Our built-in AI journey continues, bringing you enhanced privacy, reduced latency and lowered cost, along with access to high-quality AI created output. Built-in AI uses expert models and Gemini Nano, Google's most efficient model for on-device tasks. From Chrome 138, the Summarizer API, Language Detector API, Translator API and Prompt API for Chrome extensions are available in stable. In addition, the Writer and Rewriter API are available in origin trials. The new Proofreader API along with Prompt API with multimodal capabilities are available in Chrome Canary. For the latest information, join our early preview program to collaborate on new built-in AI APIs and shape the future of AI on the web. Client-side AI extends with Firebase and Gemini Developer API to provide a hybrid AI solution. Our collaboration with Firebase and Gemini Developer APIs means you can now build AI-driven web experiences on mobile and desktop. This application uses client-side AI when possible and seamlessly scale to server-side AI to reach all devices and browsers. Starting today, Firebase AI Logic provides seamless access to Chrome's built-in prompt API backed by Gemini Nano and similar smaller models on the server side using the Gemini Developer API. AI Assistant in Chrome DevTools supports your debugging workflow across styling, performance and more. With AI Assistant, you can chat with Gemini to help you debug styling error in the Elements panel, resolve performance problems in the Performance panel, identify network issues in the Network panel, and locate source files in the Sources panel. Plus, AI Assistants can now apply its styling related changes directly to your source code in the Element panel. Real user data, Lighthouse Insights and AI features in the Chrome DevTools Performance panel help you understand and fix performance issues. With the reimagined Performance panel, you can now access local and real user core web vital data and ask Gemini to help you understand and fix performance issues. The Insights sidebar brings Lighthouse Insights into your traces, helping you debug faster, all without having to leave your workflow or disrupt your productivity. Baseline feature availability is now in your familiar tools, VS Code, ESLint and more. Achieve greater accuracy and confidence in your web development workflow. With baseline integration within your familiar web development tools, you will gain clear visibility into the availability of web features across major browsers. IDE's VS Code now displays the baseline status of features right as you build, with support coming soon to WebStorm by JetBrains and VS Code based IDEs including Firebase Studio, Windsurf, GitHub Codespaces and more. Linters, CSS and HTML linters can proactively warn you when you are using a feature that is newer than your baseline target. Baseline is supported in ESLint for CSS, HTML, ESLint and StyleLint. Analytics, RumVision combines baseline data with real user metrics, letting you strategically select the optimal baseline version for your audience. Google Analytics users can upload their data to the Google Analytics baseline checker To get baseline recommendation, compilers use browsers list config baseline to plug your baseline targets into your code compilation tools like Babel and PostCSS, so that you can use modern features in your source code and compile them down in your production builds. Gain a complete view of the web feature support with Web Platform Dashboard. Last year we announced the Web Platform Dashboard, a way to explore the web features data that maps the entire web platform as a set of features. With the web feature data set now 100% map for the first time ever, you can see the baseline status of every feature on every browser from AVIF to Vue transition, including their availability and adoption. Stay informed and build with confidence. Developer trial for streamlined sign-in experience with Credential Manager. We recognize the friction that multiple authentication methods, including passwords, identity federation, and passkeys, can cause for users of your website. Our goal is to bring a unified, effortless sign-in experience for user, and so we are bringing the intuitive experience of Android's Credential Manager to Chrome. Soon, when user clicks on sign in, Chrome will surface credentials which are available for this site, such as passkeys and passwords from Google Password Manager, making sign-in seamless. We plan to add identity federation to this experience too. The Credential Manager for the web is now in developer trial. Stay tuned for more updates later this year. Iterate on Chrome extension faster with the ability to cancel submission review. Submitting your Chrome extension should feel seamless, worry-free, and exciting. However, we know that one area of friction was being unable to quickly fix a mistake in a pending submission. Earlier this year, we introduced the ability to cancel a pending submission, which builds on the ability to roll back a previously published version, all with the goal of letting you make changes and resubmit quickly. For the latest information, visit developer.chrome.com and web.dev to learn more about how we are making a powerful web made easier. And be sure to connect with us on X, YouTube, and LinkedIn. See you at the next IO. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.